So this is the exotic headband that I'm working on. So I wanted to show you guys before, and I'm about to change the color because this is not the color I want. But I got the headband assembled. Now I'm gonna go and change the color. Toodles. Okay guys, so this black piece that I'm making, so y'all see the first picture where it does not have the spray paint or anything like that to it. So basically guys, you take a headband and you buy zip ties, and you zip tie all the zip ties to the headband, however many you want. You cut them small to little, to whichever way you desire. I got these flowers that's on a vine. I spray painted that black, but when I put this on, I zip tied it at the same time to the headband, so that's what gives it this. And then I just took some loose flowers, and I actually took where the stem was able to go through. So some of the flowers, I actually did it like this. This is too small, but after I pulled it off, as you could see, I put it on a zip tie like this and just pushed it down, the leaves. So I literally have to go get more leaves. I'm going to wind up picking up more leaves, and I'm actually going to pick up black sequins because you see the sparkle that this dress has. So I'm going to wind up buying black sequins that sparkle. So when you have the headpiece, you will also get that sparkle. So I bet y'all like, that is severely over the top. Yes, it is. Sorry, guys. I put this corset on myself. I turned it around and did it. So, and then I got the ties right here. This ain't where it go. So I was trying to put the dress on. But when you make these corset dresses, you really need somebody to really help you, because you make these bra cups and you need to properly sit your breasts in these bra cups. And then you have somebody to come and, you see the back of the dress, then you have somebody to come and zoop, 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 do the back of the dress. But unfortunately, I didn't have any help. So I was on my own putting this dress on and trying to get it, you know, together to show you guys. So it's not, I'm not placed in there correctly. So I just wanted to reveal this dress because I hate to make something and I sit on something for a long time, and then I got other projects and stuff that I'm doing. So I'll be trying to release everything and have everything going, you know, back to back. So this is the headpiece that's in process. It is not complete. As you see, I'm going to wind up putting more flowers. I'm going to buy black sequins, and I'm going to put the black sequins. And like I say, this, a lot of this stuff is, I bet y'all be like, you looking like the Statue of Liberty. That's a lot. Yes, a lot of this is a lot, but my stuff that I want to make, sorry, this dress is, I'm ready to take it off because it's actually, I would say more of a winter dress. But this type of stuff will be like when y'all see the people going to those red carpet events and different stuff. Like, my designs have always been bold, over the top. So when I get finished creating this piece, you know what I mean, I'm going to make it, and I'm going to, you know, finish putting the pieces on. And y'all don't have to make it this long. You know what I mean? This is kind of long. But I'm just still figuring out. I'm not for sure, you know, if I want it, you know, how long or whatever. I might even shorten it down a little bit more. But I know I want more leaves. And for you to understand what this is, you will have to go, I didn't even glue this one on yet. You will have to go to Pinterest, and you will have to look at the head pieces to be able to figure out what's going on here. And it's a unique thing. So it's like you going to that big event, that birthday. And me, I don't mind being different. I've never been ordinary. I've always liked it, something that when you walk in a room, people are like, what the hell is that? You know what I mean? So, you know, like, so these will fall under the 3D hat. So put in 3D flower headband pieces and different things like that. So put it in, guys. And if you're not into this, then you're not into it. But You know, I'm also gonna make like ones for wedding, and I'm gonna make it. It's almost gonna be like it's a crown, but it's actually, you know, the headband thing. But I'm put all the pieces, and I have the pearls, and then just all the pretty sparkly stuff. So when you're wearing a wedding dresses, Portia had on, hers was a crown, but it was huge. So now, guys, you know, they're being bold. They're doing, you know, unique stuff, and I don't mind about going in that realm of go bold or go home. So that's what's going on with this. This is not complete yet. So when I get that complete, I'll come back, but I'm gonna show y'all in the video before what it looked like. But this is that dress, and I'm starting now to untighten it. But yes, I'm actually, when I do wear this dress with these corset dresses, you really need somebody, because it's a built-in bra cup, right? So you really need somebody to come, and then you take your boobs, and your boobs need to go in there and fall in there. And when you put them in there, the person behind you, once you put your boobs in there, your boobs is in there. Now you will have the person to come and corset the back of the dress. If you putting it on yourself, it's not right, because it got the bra cup, but you got to have it right. So when I just did this video, the dress, I could feel that my boobs weren't sitting in there right. So anyway, that's what I want to show y'all, the headband and what was going on. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for the comments. I appreciate all y'all being here. But y'all, do these designs. Go big or go home. Have a good night, guys.